Program to find sum of the cube of n number. So to find sum of the cube of n number, so you need an iteration. So you need to enter a value that will accept n. So let's our n is equal to I need an int function to convert my input function into string. So since my n input function, then I now enter the value. I now enter the prompt, the literal, enter value of n. That's good. So now I've entered the value of n. I can now set up a loop for statement k in range one comma n plus 1. Do you know the reason why I put n plus 1? The counter, if I say range n, it will start the iteration from 0. So I want it to start from 1 and end up at the exact words. So I have to put column here so that the next line an indent will be provided. So let me use C to represent the cube. Then is equal to sign. Then to find the cube of k raised to power, I use this sign, raised to power 3. That's the sign for raised to power 3. So cube is 1k times k times k. So if you want to raise to power, that's the sign, operator sign for raising to power. So I'll find the cube of k. Now let's print our result. So comma k, then I want a cube of the corresponding number should be written somewhere here. So this is a simple program to find the cube of any number. Let's find the cube of to find the, what did I say, sum of the cube. So sum of the cube will be sum is equal to sum plus k plus c. This expression has find the sum of this cube. Let me assign 0 into sum. I initialize it at before the loop. I initialize by assigning 0 into my sum. So there's a comma in between. As a separator, there's a comma in between C. So at the end of the loop, I want the result to be printed out, to be output out. So which is in quote the sum of the cube is what? is equal to sum. So this program finds the sum of the cube, find the cube of 1 to n, and at the same time find the sum of the cube. Let's run it and see what it's going to give us as results. Let's find the sum of the cube of 6 number 6. So you can see it now. This is a simple program to find the sum of the cube of n numbers. Thanks.